Hi guys, Watertown Middle School Cluster 1 coming at you on Mother's Day. As you can imagine, it's been a very eventful day for me because I have two little ones. I started out this morning by getting this very special sign. Hi Mom, Happy Mom Day. Um, it kind of runs out of letters, but can you see that? It lights up. Ooh, this way. Pretty fancy. So I started out my day with two little ones doing that, and then we took a nice little hike. So I hope for that special lady in your life, whether it's your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, or a cousin, or somebody close to you, like a neighbor, I hope you're thinking of them on this special day. Um, so I wanted to go over what we're doing this week quickly. The learning target is I can understand how the information provided in the mean absolute deviation, or MAD, varies in a data distribution. Kind of funny that the acronym is MAD, right? Because we are in a crazy pandemic, so everybody's probably a little mad about that. We are doing a little quick Kahoot for a review. Woohoo, have fun. And then we're doing a little bit of new stuff. We're just going to quickly go over the mean absolute deviation this week. And then you're going to take an iReady standards mastery check at the end of the week. I know, your favorite thing. But do your best, do your best. And I know everything will work out. The thing with iReady, you must know you can only access it during school hours. The standards mastery will be available Wednesday through Friday from 8:30 to 3 p.m. So make sure you get it done. Also, make your own original dice game. Yes, it's optional, but I have Google Slides. I put my dice game in there that we've played at school with the beans and the candy. Shh. If you didn't look over it last week, here's some games in here to give you some ideas of what you could create just with simple dice if you have them. And even if you don't have dice, you can create them. You can go get some dice online and play around with it. Okay? I miss you guys so much. I hope you're having a great Mother's Day, celebrating with the people around you. And peace out, Cluster 1. Miss you guys.